So, how to introduce yourself in Arabic? Okay, at first, there are many things you might need to mention when you are talking about yourself. الاسم, السن, الحالة الاجتماعية, الوظيفة, الجنسية. Let's go over them. الاسم, we say اسمي إسلام or أنا إسلام. اسمي إسلام, my name Islam, or أنا إسلام, I Islam. And never say I am Islam or my name is Islam, because we don't use verb to be when we talk in present. So you might be asking, how can we tell it's present without using verb to be? It's easy. We use verb to be when we talk about the past, the future. And the only sign that tells us this is present is don't use verb to be. السن, I can say عمري 37 عاما or أنا في 37 من عمري. عمري 37, أنا في 37. Warning! Never say I am 37, because Arab people think that a human cannot be a number. So you cannot be 37. I cannot say أنا 37. I'm not a number. You are not 40. You are a human. So you can either say I am in أنا في 37 or my age is عمري 37. الجنسية I Egyptian, I from Egypt. أنا مصري, أنا من مصر. أنا أمريكي, أنا من أمريكا. أنا بريطاني, أنا من بريطانيا. That's it. الوظيفة. And with this example you can tell how simple Arabic is. Because in English you would say I am a teacher. 4 words. In Arabic we just say I teacher. أنا معلم. I doctor. أنا طبيب. And so on. And finally, الحالة الاجتماعية. So if you are an Arab man, you might be careful when you are talking about your marital status, because you might be watched by your spouse. And here's only 2 words you might need to use. أنا متزوج, and the dangerous one, أنا أعزب. That's it for today. See you next time إن شاء الله. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.